Welcome to This Just In, a weekly news show highlighting the people and events in Newport News Public Schools, where schools spent the month of October celebrating kindness, unity, and culture. Families at Palmer Elementary enjoyed a special treat during back-to-school night in late September. In honor of Hispanic Heritage Month, Palmer hosted an engaging and educational Hispanic Heritage celebration. Hispanic students make up almost half of the entire student population at Palmer, and the school is home to 3 newcomer classes for students who speak English as a second language. During the celebration, all families were welcome to tour several learning stations that showcased the scientific, artistic, athletic, and historical impacts Hispanics have contributed worldwide. Educators assisted students at each station with hands-on learning experiences, literacy connections, and an in-depth exploration of the rich Hispanic heritage. The Riverside Elementary community came together to spread kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. During their annual Unity Day parade, students dressed in eye-catching bright orange to send a visible message that no child should ever experience bullying. In the days leading up to the parade, classes were busy creating posters and banners filled with positive phrases and kind words. During the parade, Riverside's young and talented Boomin' Bears drumline led the spirited procession. This is the perfect team of student musicians to lead a Unity Day parade, since their principles of respect, honesty, and kindness mirror the themes of Unity Day. To show their community support, Newport News police officers, Warwick High School's football team, and the Chick-fil-A Cow were all in attendance to cheer on the students' efforts to spread kindness and inclusion. Students and educators from every Newport News school came together to stand against bullying. October is World Bullying Prevention Month, which is known as Stand Month in Newport News Public Schools, to encourage students, staff, and families to stand against bullying and violence. The Thursday night football game between the Warwick Raiders and Denby Patriots was celebrated as Stand Night, inviting schools to participate in an annual halftime tradition. The Denby Soul Regiment led a parade around the track, with school and city leaders joining the march. Every school was represented with students holding banners to increase awareness against bullying and create a positive environment in all Newport News public schools. Don't forget to set your clocks back 1 hour for daylight saving time, which ends Sunday, November 5th. So, set your clocks back 1 hour when you go to bed on Saturday night, November 4th. Tuesday, November 7th is Election Day. Students do not report to school. And please remember to take this opportunity to vote. Many families in Newport News have a heritage of military service, as well as family members currently serving. Veterans Day is on Friday, November 11th. Please take a moment to recognize our veterans and their families. Thanks for joining us for this week's edition of This Just In. And check out more fun and informative videos at nnpstv.com to see the many great things happening in Newport News Public Schools. Thanks for watching.